Hey guys, today in my how-to video, I am going to show you how to cut up a pineapple. I've heard a lot of people don't know how to cut up a pineapple, so that is why I'm doing it. It is easier than you think and saves you a ton of money. So if that sounds good, stay tuned. Welcome to my kitchen and let's how to do it. So let's see how easy it is to cut a pineapple. So the first thing you need to do is you need to cut literally right along the top in a straight line and on the bottom. And then I'll show you what to do next after I quickly do that. And now that I have the bottom and the top cut off, I am literally going to peel the pineapple by going about half a centimeter in and cutting down and along the skin. The goal is to kind of get all of these brown spots, these brown dots, off of your pineapple before you can cut it up and snack on it. So you kind of want to be clear yellow like this, and I'll show you what to do after to core it. And I should also point out, once you make the first couple of cuts, it does get easier to see where the brown pieces are, because as you can kind of see here, you can see right there that you can see it poking out of it. So simply to core this and chop it up, you can kind of see how there's a circle in the center. That is the core, and that is not technically edible if you just want to eat it raw. So what we are going to do is we are going to cut in the middle of that circle, making it a half moon, and then we're going to turn it 90 degrees and cut it in the middle of the core again, so that you kind of have a quarter piece in a triangle. The safest way to cut out the core is to angle your knife. Your length of your pineapple goes that way towards the camera, and you are simply just going to put it at an angle and cut it out, and that's usually how big the core is. And to make it into bite-sized pieces, you are going to cut this into thirds and then into nice little chunks that you can easily pop into your mouth and eat. And that is how simple it is to cut up a pineapple and core it and everything. And by the way, the core, if you cut this thinly, you can freeze it and put it into smoothies, and it makes a great addition into smoothies that include like banana and strawberry, let's say. So just to give you a close-up, I literally cut there, and that's what you need to do. I'm going to keep that core for smoothies. And this is what your pieces all look like once they're cut up, and they're oh so delicious, so I'm going to have one right now. And again, if you know anyone who would find this really helpful or who might not know how to cut up a pineapple, definitely share this video with them. And if you don't mind liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing, I would really appreciate that. It helps my channel go far, and until next time,